Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix MSI Monitor No Sound problem. If you want to fix your problem, you need to consider these steps. First, audio cable. Ensure the audio cable is firmly plugged into both the monitor's audio output port and the audio's input port on your computer or other device. Try using a different cable to eliminate the possibility of a faulty cable. The second option is monitor settings. Check your monitor's audio settings to make sure the sound is enabled and the volume is not muted. Look for an audio icon or settings menu in your monitor's on-screen display. In the third option, computer sound settings, verify that your computer sound settings are configured correctly and the default output device is set to your MSI monitor. This can usually be found in your computer sound settings or control panel. In the fourth option, external speakers. If you are using external speakers, ensure they are properly connected to your monitor or computer and they all turn on. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.